Today we're going to hide a lavalier microphone on a polo shirt. This is one that I have found something that's helped me out a lot. Clothing rustle is a perpetual issue when you're hiding lavalier microphones, but this method works pretty well, and let me just show you what I've been doing. It's not perfect, it's not the ultimate necessarily, but we're going to hide the lavalier microphone just here underneath the button placket. And today we're using a Shure TL48 lavalier microphone, so I'm going to just go ahead and put it in there. Normally, if you're wiring someone up that's wearing the clothing, I would use my mic drop as a little weight that you put on the other end of the microphone by the connector, and it runs it down through people's clothes, so you don't have to get all up too much in their business. And what we're going to do here, or get underneath their clothes. So what we're going to do here is do that. I'm going to use a couple of things. I'm going to use a Rycote, I think this is a sticky. I don't remember what they call them, but it's two-sided tape. And then the important thing, two important things here. From Bubblebee, we're going to use two things. One, some fur to put over the microphone. That helps with clothing rustle. So as the clothes move, it will rub against the fur, which will help reduce a lot of that friction and noise. And the other thing we're going to use is what's called a cable saver. And let me just show you how these work. So the idea with the cable saver is, first of all, the trick with lavalier microphones is that if there's any friction along the cable at all, that can transfer up to the microphone capsule. So you don't want that to do that. And one thing you can do is use this cable saver, which helps with that. And let me show you how. So first we'll just kind of thread the lavalier microphone capsule through the hole on one side. And there we go. This is just made out of silicone, this cable saver. And there we go. We'll take it down, somewhere around 15 centimeters maybe. And I'm just going to go ahead and start wrapping it around the teeth here. Two, three. And once we've done that, I'll go ahead and thread the lavalier microphone through the other hole at the other end. Okay, so what this does for us is, now that we've wrapped it around some, is that as it pulls like that, you get this sort of spring action. And what it's going to do is any of that tugging you're going to get down here, any friction against the cable, shouldn't transfer through this bit. So that's why that's really helpful. So that's our first step. Okay, so that'll go down into the shirt here. Next up, what I'm going to do is open up the sticky here, just take off the adhesive protection from one side, and I'm going to place the microphone just about like that. Actually, I want to put the microphone capsule right up to the edge here. Okay, and then I'm going to take the fur, and we're going to put the fur, we're not going to actually cover the grill of the microphone. I want to keep that open. I want there to be air able to touch this right here as we have it hidden, or when we have it hidden. And there we go, so there's the fur. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the adhesive off the other side here. Sorry for the creaking table. And then underneath the button placket here, I'm just going to place this right down here at the bottom of the button placket. And the reason I want to put it down at the bottom is that gets it a little bit farther away from the chin and the throat, and that'll usually give you a better sound. So there we have it, hidden right there. We'll just button this back up. And here I am wearing the lavalier mic. It's right here. And this is what it sounds like on my shirt. I can move my arms. We may get a little bit of rustle there, but it's pretty well managed. So that's how I've been hiding. I think the big secret is really the fur. I think that makes a huge, huge difference. Thank you to Bubblebee for sending that over, and also to Rycote for sending over the stickies. So hope that helps. Get out there and make some great sound.